Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming hardware and software so you avoid errors later. First, check your phone's NFC toggle and enable it. Next, choose the right tag type, NTag 213 for short data, NTag 215 for more space. You'll see why during writing. Install a reliable writing app like NFC Tools or NXB Tag Writer to prepare records and formats. Once installed, open the app and create a new record so you can write immediately. You now prepare the exact payload and format. Decide whether you need a URL, plain text, vCard, or app launch payload. Each requires specific fields. If the tag was used before, format it to clear previous data, otherwise writing may fail. Position the phone's NFC coil over the card center to ensure stable communication. Tap right in the app and watch for success confirmation. If the app offers verification, use it to read back the record. You finish by validating and securing your tag. Test the written card with at least one other device or app to confirm compatibility, and that data resolves correctly. This verifies both write and read. If you need permanence, enable password protection or lock the tag, but make sure you won't need changes later. If writing fails, reformat the tag, check coil alignment and distance, or swap tags. Often a marginal connection or wrong tag type causes the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.